Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off LED flash alert notifications on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is slide up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And now you want to go and select where it says notifications. Scroll down underneath General, select Flash Notifications. So if you want to turn off screen flash notifications, you can just toggle this to the off position right here. Otherwise, you can enable it by clicking inside the oval one time. And that is all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.